Everybody, Barber Dave here. We're going to do an unboxing video today, and it's not shave related. So I'll get the camera set up and we'll be right back right after this. Hey everybody, we're back. This is what we're unboxing today. As I said, it's not shaving related, but I blame this solely on our good friend and mine, Nurse Dave. And I started getting into coffee again. And I did a lot of research on this, and this is the brand new home Barista setup from Breville. It replaces, or actually it's the next upgraded version from the Breville Barista Express, which was a very popular one. This one has a bunch of features we'll go into, but I want to go through the unboxing first. And so first off, we have the filter baskets. And these actually, from what I understand, will fit underneath the item itself. So you have the single wall filter, the dual wall filters for pre-bound coffee, and both in single and double espresso strength. You have the espresso basket, pretty heavy duty one, and it does have the this one's got the dual espresso for whole bean coffee, which is probably 90% of what I'll use. Then we've got the razor, and what the razor is for is the razor actually, if you get too much coffee in your dosing, you actually use the razor to scrape out any type of items from the portafilter. So you shouldn't have to use that too often once you get the dosing straightened up and everything else. And then of course the cleaning kit, and we'll go ahead and get everything unpacked and then we'll come back. Came packaged really well. Here is the hopper for the beans, and then it does come with a pitcher, and then of course a 15,000 page manifesto on how to use it. So we'll get it unpacked and we'll come right back. Okay, so here we have everything unpacked. So here's the actual unit itself, and obviously the power button, dual shot, single shot, information, temporary, temperature gauge, and then of course you've got your bar. This is a 9-bar pressure, so in the beginning when it's pre-infusing it'll go to here and then it should go up into this area. And then you've got two different types of filters for the type of shot, so if you want a dual shot you'll be using that. And you can also manually dose your basket. I'm going to keep it on auto, and then of course this is the dosing, and if you get it right, this smiley face turns green. If it's below that, you just hit the dose button again and it'll add just enough, and then it remembers, the machine remembers this, and you'll have the perfect dose every time. And then it's got a built-in tamper, so you tamp it once, that light will go on, tamp it again, and it also has a twist in it so you get a really nice puck. It also came with a really nice pitcher, and then of course you've got your steam wand here with the steam item there, and then all the different stuff, including the water filter and everything else. So we're going to go ahead and get her set in place, get the first cleaning done, and then we'll come back for an operational video. See you in a few minutes. Everybody, we're set. We're all back. We've got basically Illy Intenso bold roast, espresso roast coffee from Italy. And that's what we have in the hopper right here. And then basically the way this works is you take your portafilter. Now this is single walled for regular ground coffee. And all you do is you lock that in, and as you'll see, the dose button lights, and all you do is you press the button. Okay, and then you'll see it says tamp. Now, this will learn what the correct dosage is. So this is your tamper, and basically you press down on it. Okay, so we're below dose because I've got the grind setting on 16 and the burr on 9. So what we'll do is we'll hit the dose again, and it'll add a little bit more. Okay, and we tamp again. We're still low, so we do it again. And it'll learn, and the next time it does it, it should be fine. Okay, we'll try it again. Still low. Hit it again. And this is the first time we're using it, so it's getting used to the grind. Okay, we're getting closer. Okay, and so now it's the grain, and we tamp it again to get that turn, and that should be the perfect dose. And as you can see, it's already turned and everything else. So then what we do is we just put it into the machine, and we'll take our cup, and we'll press 2 for a double shot. And it takes about 15 seconds to pre-infuse, and then it should come up in the pressure. And we're still testing, so we're not sure if the dose is right. Actually, it looks like we're pretty much right in range now. And we'll see. It should flow like honey. And it takes about 15-20 seconds to start to come out. And we're probably set a little bit too fine. So we're going to adjust that in just a few seconds, because it shouldn't be dripping like that. So we're going to check that in just a second, and we'll probably come back and do another one. So we'll kill it now and we'll come back. Okay, everybody, we're back. Through some trial and error for the Illy Intenso espresso bean, we're ending up setting it on 23, and we look like we've got a good extraction now. And it looks like the grinder is set, but we shall see. And they did warn that it would take about a bag of coffee. Okay, so we're getting the grain right out of the bat, and we'll tamp it again just to get a good puck. And then we'll see here. Okay. And we're going to do a double shot. Okay, and it looks like we've got really good crema. And so now we're gonna go ahead and steam the milk. Now I have not steamed the milk on this yet, so we'll see what happens. Gotta wait for the temp to come up, and then once it starts to steam, we turn it off again, and then within 8 seconds. And then we steam the milk until it's too hot to touch. Okay, so we've got good crema here, or good milk. Now, my latte art is not very good, so... So, there you go. And there's the first cup.
Oh, pretty.
And we'll go ahead and do another cup here in just one second. We're going to do another one. I think we've got it dialed in pretty much. I've got the mug warming on the top. We've got the coffee beans ready. We've got the dosing. So again, all you do, put that in there. The dose will light up. And it should remember that, so that should automatically be green. Push down on the tamp. Yep. Green. Push it down one more time. And that'll get the puck polished. Go ahead and put it in the group head. Lock that in. We'll take our cup that's been warming and we'll go ahead and extract a double shot. So it's got a nice crema to it. So we know that that's good. And then we'll go ahead and purge our steam wand real quick. And turn it off for just a second to get the steam going. Okay, it's just about done. Wipe off the steam head, purge it as well. Okay, and we'll try this again. Like I said, my latte art isn't the best. Well, more like a mushroom, but there you go. And that's it, folks. I would definitely recommend it. Takes a while to dial in, but once it's dialed in, it's quick, it's easy, and as you can see, it produces a really nice latte, and that is the Breville Barista Express Impress. Have a good one.